In Mongolia, there are more horses than people, 13 for every person. This fact alone hints at the country's vastness and its deep-rooted connection to nature. Mongolia is a land where the modern world fades, replaced by something ancient and elemental. The horizon stretches endlessly, the sky a constant, watchful presence. My journey here began with wonder, drawn by tales of legendary emptiness and wildness. Mongolia has the world's lowest population density. Leave the capital, and you're surrounded by nothing but land and sky. The silence is full, wind whispers, eagles call, and you're forced to slow down and simply look. This is the land of Genghis Khan, yet today, it's a place of profound peace. The people, descendants of warriors, are gentle and warm, living in harmony with a landscape that's both beautiful and brutal. Life here is dictated by the seasons and the needs of animals, a delicate balance that defines Mongolia. The journey isn't easy. Rough roads, unpredictable weather, few comforts, but what you gain is invaluable. A glimpse into a resilient, community-driven culture. Mongolia invites you to see beauty in simplicity and to find treasure in open spaces. It's not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. The Mongolian steppe is an ocean of grass, stretching to every horizon, a place of overwhelming freedom. The sky, called the eternal blue sky or tengri, is sacred, a constant reminder of Mongolia's place in the universe. Though it seems empty, the steppe teems with life. Wild gazelles, marmots, eagles, and vultures. This ecosystem is a delicate web, governed by sun, seasons, and survival instincts. The steppe's colors shift with the year, vivid green in spring, gold in summer, russet in autumn, and stark white in winter. Living here demands resilience. Summers scorch, winters freeze, but nomads adapt, reading the land and sky. For them, the steppe is both provider and challenge. It offers unparalleled freedom and a profound connection to nature. The steppe demands respect, and in return, it gives a life shaped by the rhythms of the earth. Here, you learn what it means to truly belong to the land. The Gobi Desert is far more than endless sand. It's a landscape of diversity and surprising life. There are the Kongeren Els, or singing sands, where wind creates haunting music atop towering dunes. Beyond the dunes, gravel plains shimmer, and rugged mountains, home to elusive snow leopards, rise to mineral dunes. At the flaming cliffs, history comes alive with dinosaur fossils beneath your feet. Life here is about adaptation. The two-humped Bactrian camel thrive, essential to nomads for transport, milk, and wool. The bond between herder and camel is one of mutual respect, forged in harsh conditions. Despite its arid reputation, the Gobi supports hardy plants, wild asses, gazelles, and the rare Gobi bear. Nomads possess deep knowledge of the land's medicinal plants, wisdom passed through generations. The Gobi teaches that even in the harshest places, life endures. It's a desert of secrets, resilience, and subtle beauty. Mongolian nomads don't wander aimlessly. Their movements are a precise dance with the seasons. Families move 3 or 4 times a year, seeking fresh pastures or water, guided by generations of knowledge. When it's time to move, the jir, their portable home, is dismantled and packed with practiced teamwork. Every family member, young and old, has a role, strengthening their bonds. Livestock, horses, sheep, goats, cattle, camels, are their wealth and lifeline, providing food, clothing, and transport. Nomads know each animal intimately, a relationship built on care and respect. This life demands resilience and self-sufficiency. There are no shops on the steppe. Children learn to ride, herd, and mend from an early age, gaining confidence and practical skills. Community and family are everything. Survival depends on cooperation. The nomadic life is hard, but it's rich in meaning and connection. It's a way of life that endures, shaped by the land and the seasons. In Mongolia, motion is tradition, and tradition is survival. The Mongolian jir is a marvel, simple in appearance, yet ingeniously designed for nomadic life. Its circular shape resists fierce winds, while felt insulation keeps it warm in winter and cool in summer. At the center, a stove provides heat and a place to cook, with smoke rising through its eye. Raurim spout suvriwife. Inside, space is organized by tradition. The door faces south, the honored spot is opposite, and sides are divided for men's and women's roles. The Jer is more than shelter, it's the heart of family life, where stories are shared and decisions made. Living in close quarters fosters togetherness and community. Everyone shares in daily joys and struggles. The Jer is a symbol of home and identity, portable yet always providing stability. A lone Jer on the steppe, smoke curling from its roof, is an iconic image of Mongolia. It speaks of warmth, family, and a deep connection to the land. For nomads, the Jer is a sanctuary, home for the body, heart, and soul. Its design reflects centuries of adaptation and cultural wisdom. In every way, the Gur embodies the spirit of Mongolia. Mongolia's 5 snouts, horses, camels, cattle, sheep, and goats, are the foundation of nomadic life. Each animal has a vital role: sheep for wool and meat, goats for cashmere, cattle for milk and leather, camels for transport, and horses for everything. Horses are revered. Children ride almost before they walk, and horsemanship is second nature. The bond between herder and animal is deep. Days begin before sunrise, caring for and protecting the herd. In winter, survival depends on the herder's vigilance. This relationship shapes every aspect of culture, from songs and stories to the Naadam Festival's horse races. Animals are not just livestock, they're family, partners in survival. The 5 snouts sustain life and tradition on the steppe. Mongolian culture is inseparable from its animals. Together they endure the land's challenges, side by side.
Know you've been a good friend.
In Mongolia, hospitality is a lifeline. Refusing a guest is unthinkable. The door to every Jer is open, and the welcome is as vast as the steppe. Visitors call out "No koi kor," hold the dog before entering, then are offered sautéed sai, salted milk tea, as a gesture of respect. Sharing tea and food, like arul or mutton stew, is the cornerstone of hospitality. Accepting what's offered shows appreciation. Generosity is rooted in mutual dependence. Nomads know they may one day need help themselves. Guests aren't expected to pay, but small gifts are appreciated. Hospitality binds the community, offering insight into Mongolian generosity. Here, kindness is given freely, and every guest is treated like family. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia's capital, is a city of contrasts. Ancient spirit meets modern rush. Businessmen in suits pass monks in saffron robes. Glass towers rise behind neighborhoods of Jers. The city's name, Red Hero, reflects its communist past, still visible in its architecture. Today, Ulaanbaatar is transforming. International brands, trendy cafes, and a vibrant art scene thrive. Young Mongolians blend global influences with tradition, shaping a dynamic culture. Yet tradition endures. Buddhist monasteries, museums, and markets keep the city connected to its roots. Life here offers opportunity and challenge, education, jobs, but also congestion and pollution. Many former nomads settle on the city's outskirts, caught between old ways and new realities. Ulaanbaatar is a city in flux, balancing heritage and progress. It's where Mongolia's future is being written, one day at a time. Mongolia captures the imagination, a land of epic landscapes and resilient spirit. It's the memory of endless steppe, the taste of salty milk tea, the sight of wild horses running free. The spirit of Mongolia lives in its people-weathered herders, laughing children, and families who welcome strangers with open arms. This is a culture of toughness and generosity, balancing tradition and change. Today, Mongolia adapts. Young artists blend throat singing with hip-hop. Entrepreneurs share their heritage with the world. To visit is to reconnect with what matters: earth, sky, and human kindness. The legacy of Genghis Khan endures, not in conquest, but in resilience and hospitality. Under the eternal blue sky, Mongolia's heart beats strong, inviting all who listen.